As what's happening in our neck of the woods.
The entire city underwater there.
5:17 right now. In fact, we want to get a check of that forecast with Carrie. Any cool down in the horizon, perhaps?
Well, that cool down comes with higher humidity, so we're going to trade the dry heat for, bad hair days to the next several days. But hey, I think it'll be a little bit better than having triple-digit temperatures across the Bay Area. As we take a look at the Bay Bridge right now, things are flowing smoothly as you get a look at those lights just rolling across and mostly clear skies, although we are starting to pick up on some areas of fog along the coast. You can see it in the camera as we take a look from that Daly City camera in the peninsula. And it's 63 degrees now in the East Bay, San Francisco, 58 degrees. Cooling down in some spots, especially near the coast. 84 degrees in San Francisco will be the high today, and 100 degrees in the North Bay. You still see those sizzling temperatures inland. Unfortunately, the onshore breeze doesn't make it that far inland, and our wind now coming in from the northwest. You can tell by these arrows here, and the wind speeds at miles per hour only at about 6 or 7 at lunchtime, so not much of a wind either. It does pick up as the onshore flow kicks in later on this evening with winds at 10 to 15 miles an hour, but by then it will be hot. And once again, that onshore flow brings those temperatures down to the 70s and 80s along the shore, and then we're still talking 90s and over 100 degrees for the inland valleys. For the weekend, here's our higher humidity. Some tropical moisture will start to surge into Southern California and eventually make it into the Bay Area. And we're seeing the blue here indicated by our computer model showing some higher moisture moving in. That means more clouds, and the humidity will be going up. So as we look at the weekend forecast, expect highs still in the 80s and 90s on Saturday all across the Bay. And then heading into the end of the weekend, the start of next week, some 70s and 80s. But when it's muggy, it won't feel much better than what we'll have today. Let's see how the traffic is moving now with Mike.
All right, well, things won't get